Welcome to the Ngobo Tennis Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo Tennis Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Sibanye 2. It's a Nedbank Cup. My brother, how's it?
Hey, me out to give me the winner.
Hey, sharp next man. Your thoughts got the game here tonight?
But no man, I'm a Sibanye employee, ne? So waiting from what they delivered today, ne? I think looking at Sundowns being a premier team, ne? I think with Sundowns, but again, the Sibanye goal team, ne? They actually bring a challenge to Sundowns. So that's why the score was like 5-2. But I think it could have been like leveled at 3-3 at some point. Exactly. But because of officials, but we're not there. But I think from a lower league, Sundowns must be aware of what's happening.
And then your boys played very well. Are you not scared that Sundowns might maybe sign some of them and you lose them?
But no man, because they are at the lower league, signing the boys will be a good thing. Even though they will be taking the guys from where they are in the lower leagues, and then maybe it might hamper the guys from being promoted to the upper league. But for individuals, it will be a good thing. And no man, ngaba happy. Ngaba happy, Michum.
No, that's good. Man. Hard luck for tonight and all the best.
And wait again, my Sundowns paskatsuwa. Go 60.
Normally, Lekosi la loser against the so-called smaller teams. So don't you think or like
next?
No,
magician, cookie, bona everything. Bona Bushef Gibona Bare, the chef, the topics of Kukishin. What's a Kukishin? Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
And I don't know.
Exactly. But Walok.
All the best, brother.
Thank you, Michu.
Hey, tada, sure.